The Swan and the Golden Carp. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, nestled between two towering mountains, lay the enchanted lake of the Swans. The lake shimmered in the soft light of the moon, reflecting the stars scattered across the vast sky. Amidst this beauty, a lone swan, Sylvana, her feathers as white as the driven snow, glided gracefully across the serene waters. While seemingly ordinary at first glance, a closer inspection would reveal that the enchanted lake was truly magical. The waters of the lake flowed with pure crystal clarity, revealing the world beneath the surface teeming with life. In this underwater realm, vibrant coral gardens swayed gently to and fro, while fish of all shapes, sizes, and colors darted about, playing hide-and-seek among the rocks and vegetation. It was here that magical creatures found refuge and coexisted in harmony with the rhythms of nature. One fateful day, a shimmering golden carp named Goldario arrived in the Enchanted Lake. Goldario swam in a peculiar way, creating intricate patterns with his tail that seemed to captivate any creature who laid eyes upon them. Sylvana the swan, curious about this mysterious new visitor, dipped her head beneath the water's surface to observe the magical fish. Goldario's presence brought whispers of change, and as word of the golden carp spread, the lake's denizens gathered to watch the bewitching fish. Sylvana, fascinated by Goldario, sought to know more about him, unaware of the web of events she was about to be entangled in. The lake was not without its guardian. Once every 100 years, the great dragon Zythrenos emerged from his slumber in the heart of the mountain to ensure that harmony and balance prevailed. As the denizens of the lake reveled in the beauty of Goldario's mesmerizing patterns, Zythrenos awoke from his slumber to perform his century-long duty. Zythrenos surveyed the enchanted lake, his watchful eyes noting the presence of the golden carp. With a rumble in his voice, the dragon warned the lake's inhabitants that Goldario's presence could disturb the delicate balance of their realm, for the carp was a harbinger of change. Zythrenos' warning went unheeded, for the creatures were spellbound by the golden carp's entrancing beauty. Concerned for the future of the enchanted lake, Sylvana approached the great dragon, offering to help him understand the nature of the change that Goldario might bring. The wise dragon, touched by the swan's genuine concern, entrusted her with the task, urging her to be mindful of the balance that governed their world. In her search for answers, Sylvana befriended the elusive golden carp. As she swam with Goldario, she found herself entranced by the intricate patterns his tail created, which seemed to hold a mysterious power. Yet, Sylvana's determination to protect her home led her to resist the allure of Goldario's charm and seek the truth. Sylvana, intent on solving the mystery, asked Goldario about the patterns he made with his tail. Goldario, who until then had been silent, revealed that he was a weaver of dreams, capable of conjuring visions that resonated with the hearts of those who observed his patterns. He confessed that while his gift could bring solace and happiness, it could also lead to obsession and imbalance if left unchecked. Heeding Zythrenos' warning and guided by her intuition, Sylvana realized that the balance of the enchanted lake lay in her own wings. She knew that her role as the graceful swan that danced upon the water's surface was to remind the creatures of the lake to stay connected to the world above, where dreams gave way to reality. Together, Sylvana and Goldario devised a plan to restore harmony to the lake. The swan would perform an elegant dance upon the water, her every movement a testament to the beauty of the world above, while the golden carp would weave dreams of peace and tranquility for those who gazed upon the patterns he created. As Sylvana danced and Goldario wove his dreams, the enchantment that once gripped the creatures of the lake began to dissipate. The inhabitants remembered their connection to the land above the water, and the balance between dreams and reality was restored. The magical creatures of the Enchanted Lake, both above and below the surface, learned to appreciate the delicate harmony that bound them together. With the balance restored, Zythrinos, the great dragon guardian, praised Sylvana and Goldario for their wisdom and unity. Recognizing the importance of maintaining equilibrium between dreams and reality, Zythrinos declared that Goldario would be welcomed as an honorary guardian of the lake, responsible for ensuring that the dreams he wove would be a source of comfort and inspiration for the inhabitants, rather than a cause of imbalance. Over time, the legend of the graceful swan and the golden carp spread far and wide, becoming a symbol of harmony and the delicate balance of dreams and reality. Their story was a reminder that even in the most enchanting of places, it was essential to stay connected to the world beyond dreams, lest they become lost in a realm of endless enchantment. And so, with every full moon, the swan Sylvana danced upon the waters of the Enchanted Lake, her movements a breathtaking display of grace and beauty, while Goldario, the golden carp, wove dreams that inspired the creatures who called the lake their home. In this wondrous haven, where magic and nature coexisted, harmony was restored, and the denizens of the Enchanted Lake found solace in the delicate balance of their world.